Queen Charlotte from Briggerton would most definitely approve of this razzling-dazzling blueberry Citron Élégance Charlotte cake. Hey, Marina, I'm loving that crown. It's great for still waters and keeping things calm back here. Yeah. We're making the dipping syrup first, so it is time to cool down. Zest of a lemon and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Half a teaspoon of lemon extract. Set that aside, and you don't need to wash the pan.
The bottle requires intellect. The peach requires discipline. We are correctly assigned.
We should move before the villains accidentally succeed. Agreed. That would be embarrassing for everyone. Retail therapy. The blueberry compote between the layers, super easy. 2 cups of fresh or frozen, and a bit of sugar and lemon. Keep the liquid moving so it doesn't scorch the bottom. When all the fruit has bursted in, add in your slurry. Mixing your cornstarch in water prevents it from lumping up in the compote. And cook it until it's super thick. Cool that too. We put it in the fridge and gave it a stir every once in a while. Stylish without screaming artifact. We'll take 'em! Good grief. It's enjoying capitalism. Look at that.
Status report.
Shopping successful. No malarkey detected. And the lemon mousse. First, get the gelatin blooming. Whisk a cup of heavy cream to soft peaks. Beat your mascarpone and sugar to the smooth. Zest your lemons right before squeezing the juice. It's the easy way. Did you know most of the flavor is in the zest? Keep doing this until you get a 1/3 cup of lemon juice.
Shucks. No unauthorized entry. No browsing. No fiddle-faddle.
Whoa, sister? Huh? Oh, whoa. Add in a teaspoon of vanilla and lemon extracts. Your gelatin should look pretty solid by now if it bloomed right. Nuke it to turn it into liquid. Fold in the whipped cream. Reach down to the bottom and bring it up to the top. Turn the bowl and do it again. Every once in a while. Cut down the middle and see if anything's hiding in there. It only takes like 20 strokes. These are not tourist junk. Beautiful! Beautiful! Oh my goodness. Look at that. No bull snot. These are statement pieces. Statement pieces for sure. I don't remember stocking those things. We bought ladyfingers. They were like $4 in the store. Trim them to the size of your pan side. Otherwise, they look like this. What were we thinking? We gave it a haircut right before serving it at social hour. Give them just a quick baptism and stick it to the side. They will soften up overnight, but We don't want them super sloshy-washy. Little ones on the bottom.
Jump into Jehoshaphat! Whoa!
See? Exact change. Elegant. Subtle. Power adjacent. Stylish without screaming artifact. This recipe will perfectly fill your pan. Try to get the mousse in halves with the compote in the middle. Save a few tablespoons of compote to decorate the top. It's like you're making a racetrack with your spoon there. Rum, 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 rum. Set it in the fridge, lightly covered overnight. That parchment round sure comes in handy here, right?
We'll take 'em!
Good grief. It's enjoying capitalism. Look at that.
Status report!
Shopping successful. No malarkey detected.